Looks like we're getting ready to practice our music, but did you know that this means we're also going to be doing maths? This is because maths makes everything possible. Maths makes music possible because music is proven to be based upon mathematical concepts. Elements in music such as beat, scales, intervals, chords, time signatures, and pitch all have connections to the mathematical principles of numbers, counting, patterns, spatial properties, and sequencing.
The music written by composers and played by musicians heavily revolves around maths. Even Pythagoras, the great Greek philosopher, has stated, "There is geometry in the humming of the strings. There is music in the spacing of the spheres."
Numbers and math play a big part in music composition. Music is written universally on a 5-line template called a staff or a stave. The staff has 4 spaces between each line and vertical lines to separate the bars. Music pieces are divided into measures or bars, which can be further divided into beats. Each bar equates for an equal amount of time. Bars can sometimes be denoted in numbers to make following the piece a little bit easier. This is all based on a mathematical division of time.
Mathematical fractions are used in music to show how long a note lasts. Notes are named after how much of a bar they take up. For example, there is 1 full note in a bar, 2 half notes in a bar, 4 quarter notes in a bar, 8 eighth notes in a bar, and 16 16th notes in a bar. Musicians need to know mathematical fractions in order to play their music correctly. The time signature indicates how the measure is divided. It is written in a mathematical term with 2 integers, one over the other. The top number is how many beats there are, and the bottom number is the type of note the beat is. The German philosopher Gottfried Leibniz once said that music is the pleasure the human mind experiences from counting without being aware that it is counting.
Also demonstrating the connection between music and maths is that there are 13 semitones between a note and the same note an octave higher. A semitone is the smallest interval in music. A scale is built from 8 notes, and the main notes that make up a major chord are the first, the third, and the 5th notes in the scale. One thing that all of these numbers have in common is that they are present in the well-known mathematical number sequence, the Fibonacci sequence. The Fibonacci sequence was named after the famous Italian mathematician Fibonacci. The Fibonacci number sequence is where each number starting from 0 and 1 are the sum of the 2 preceding numbers. The beginning of this sequence is 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, and this continues on.
Maths has enabled the joy and advancement of music in the lives of human beings.
From the early days of primitive humans using a drum or stick to produce music, to the incredible skill of an orchestra, maths has been integral.
The promotion of emotional and physical well-being that music has been scientifically proven to have on humans, and the ability to connect our shared human experience through social and cultural ways is undoubtedly linked by maths.
Maths makes everything possible.
Come on guys, let's make some maths.
1, 2, 3, 4!